everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for another video. In this one we are going to check my 5 advice to ride better in off-road. Oh, there is something I didn't tell you. In this video you have the chance to win this gear. So if you want to know how, just wait the end. For first, guy, I have to make my apology to you because in the past, when I started my YouTube channel with Sophie, I was barely able to speak English, and maybe it was horrible for you. And I hope this time you can understand me better. At least I can express myself better. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. You have here a nice Google Prospect, Scott Prospect. That's the one I use on off-road. You have here this adventure helmet, nice color, to protect your little hand in a nice way, this nice glove. Tips number 1, for me it's the most important thing. Man, you have to bring your camel bag. How did you expect to ride a bike if you don't drink? You cannot thought to go to ride your mountain bike and don't drink. So it's exactly the same with the bike. If you don't drink, your brain is just fucked up. So first rule of all, drink water. If you don't have a camel bag, just bring a bottle or stuff like that. But drink water is super important. Second tips. Guys, what's the difference between the both? It's the visor. It's super important to choose correctly the visor you are going to use. If you're going to ride on the dark, if you're going to ride on the light, it's going to be totally different. If you have a dark visor and the nights come, you're going to see nothing. The reflex you're going to have is just to put it off, and riding on the mud with, you know, the tree, the branch, the mud and everything, you're going to have everything on the face. It's not good. So think to bring the good visor. And other tips, just bring a part of clothes, you put it on your Porsche or stuff like that, and just for cleaning sometimes. The vision is really important in off-road. And by the way, it's super important on the bike. My third advice, try your gear before to ride. You know, it's like everybody, I like have a new helmet, a new pair of boots, a new clothes, because it's so cool to be nicely dressed. But the thing is, if you don't try before and you go on a huge day, you're going maybe to say, oh, this clothes is too little, this helmet's a little bit too big. So it's really important to try everything, see if everything fits on you before to have a big day. So by the way, everyone know YouTube, it's up to you. So if you like this content, just click on the bell, follow the page. If you have any question, if you have any wish, just tell me in comment. I'm take time to answer you with pleasure. Paf! My fourth advice, don't skip the protection. At least knee protector, boots, helmets and glove. It's the minimum for riding off-road. I mean, the knee is super exposed, so you have to protect them. Chest protector can be also really nice stuff. It protects you the back, the front, and I already use that stuff and save me, because I take a break and it cut my breath. So it's nice, because maybe if I don't have my chest protector at this point, maybe the break can really hurt you. So chest protector, nice stuff as well. Tips number 5. If you want to know how to run, you have to know how to walk. So it's the same with the bike. Try it, try everything, but try it slowly, guys. Just go for it, go for a wheelie, go for a stoppie, go for everything, but step by step. This bike, they are really capable, and sometimes you just open the throttle and the bike going to reach you on the top. But the thing is, maybe sometimes the pilot, it's not really skilled enough. So train, but train softly and going step by step. It's time to explain you the rules how to win this gear. For first, you have to follow the channel. Second, you have to ring the bell. And third, Sophie?
Leave a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment. So guys, I hope you like this content. If it's the case, ring the bell, follow the channel, tell me in comment if you like this studio garage, and tell me as well in comment if you want, or maybe what you want to see for the next video. So go ride, have fun, and I hope to see you for the next adventure.